Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Tattoos and Food. So, look what we have here. Oh my god, guys. We have some white rice. I made some General TSO tofu. Has some white sesame seeds, some green onions on top. I made some fried spam. Oh my god. I totally forgot. What's the name of this? Well, it's seaweed. Dried. Wow. It's like my mind goes blank every time I turn on the camera. I never remember. Well, whatever. So I have some of this. I'm hungry. I think my sugar's low. So I'm ready to dig in, guys. I'm going to be forever trying to remember the name. Whatever. Anyways, hope you guys grab some food because I know y'all see this and this looks good. I was just craving some of this. I actually made this yesterday, but just wanted some of this today. So that tofu looks good. Wow, I'm going in hard, huh? It's just so good. I grew up eating spam ham, but the Puerto Rican side, we ate spam ham, and my mom would chop it up in chunks, and she would make it in tomato sauce, like just pure tomato sauce. She'll put oh god, all the words are leaving. Well, it's this sazon, it's this sofrito. And she'll mix it all together, salt, she'll put peppers, everything. I mean, amazing. And we would eat it with these vegetables, these viandas. Oh my god, just the best thing ever. Or even for breakfast. With some fried eggs. This tofu recipe, so easy, so good. Really, you can Google it, whatever you feel like eating. I love tofu and curry, coconut curry, but basically you can season tofu or make it the way you make any chicken. I would say it's like a replacement of chicken. Healthier. It just doesn't have the nutrients, but it's still good. It depends on the texture you get. You can actually get that solidness of thinking you're eating actually chicken. So yeah, you guys should try it. If you haven't tried tofu, don't knock it till you try it. Your girl needs a breather. 5 minutes in, I need a breather. Be right back. All right, we're all good and ready to go. And I'm still trying to figure out what's the name. Jesus, I should have got it. When we went on break, oh my God. I love the smell of that paper. Nope. Ever since I made that video yesterday, the Taco Bell mukbang, I have that song stuck in my head so bad. The mommy shark do 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 do. Oh my God. It's on constant repeat in my head. Is that happening to anybody else? Weirdest thing. Asian food is so good. I guess we have to give credit to Hawaii too, but I mean, every country has this amazing food, right? Because yeah, if you try Puerto Rican food or Cuban food, you know it's so flavorful, it's so good. But then America has amazing food too. We have the fried chicken, mac and cheese. We have well, any southern food, any way you make southern food, I think that represents America. That's the good, the cornbread. Ooh, some good collard greens. You have Italians, pasta, pizza, soups, stews, you name it. You know what I haven't tried? I have not tried real authentic Mediterranean food. Except gyros. But I want to go in depth. Indian food, I've had like masala chicken, which I've made, following recipes and stuff like that. But I want to go like, oh, I really want to try their food. I don't like spicy food. So I just feel like all of these mukbang, they eat spicy food like it's nothing. No complaining, no nothing. I'm just like, oh, I can't do it. I can't do it. Just like I can't take another bite right now. I wish you guys were here so you can join me. This is so good. It tastes so good. Darn it, I thought I would remember the name by now. Oh well. I'm sure you guys are watching and you're like, it's this name, it's this name. Oh, I can't. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Tattoos and Food. I'm sorry, you guys, if I disappoint you by not being able to finish my food. But if you have been following me from day one, or if you've seen my videos, you know that I have a very small stomach by surgery and I'm unable to finish. So I'm really sorry. But trust me, I enjoy the food. And I hope you guys enjoy watching me eat it. I love you all. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see me eat. Let me know if you were eating with me. Where you watching me from? I just say hello. Say what's up to your girl. Hit the notification bell so you can get alerts when your girl uploads new content. And yeah, like I said, I love you all. Have a wonderful day. Bye.